A small marsupial native to a few islands off the coast of Western Australia, most famously Rottnest Island. Often called the world's happiest animal, quokkas have round faces that naturally appear to be smiling, making them internet famous. They're about the size of a domestic cat and are part of the kangaroo family, hopping around on strong hind legs. Quokkas are herbivores and mainly eat grasses and leaves. They're nocturnal but often seen during the day, curious and surprisingly friendly toward humans. Though adorable, they're a vulnerable species, with limited habitat and predators like foxes posing threats. Taking selfies with quokkas is popular, but touching or feeding them is illegal to protect their health and habitat.